Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time watching, hi, my name is Paula. This is my channel and here we do everything beauty. We do reviews, fashion, haul, skincare, makeup, everything beauty. So if this is the type of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and enjoy the family and stay. I like to say thank you so much for my return subscribers. Love you guys for me back. Thank you for coming back supporting me. I appreciate you guys a bunch. Today's video, it's going to be a copy set that I told you guys. Today we're going to be trying the facial cupping and the eye cupping. And this is the OMG Lift ×3 Active Serum that you use with the cup. And also in this video we're going to be trying the OMG i360 Lifting Serum. Serum is anti-wrinkle, remove dark circles, roll on cooler. I keep mine in the fridge, and when I use in the morning or in the evening, my eyes are tired, wake my eyes right up, which is fabulous. Here we have the OMG Lift 3x Action Serum with facial cupping and eye cup. So here you have the facial cupping, is a little rubber cup, and here you have the eye cupping that's super tiny. That's easier for you fit the eye area. Like I read in the description, what we do, we go like each section, add a little bit of the serum to one section to massage into this area of the skin. Serum feels really good in the skin. So we're going to start like here. So you put on the skin and wait for 1 to 2 seconds, then you move upwards to the same thing in the next spot. And you actually can feel the circulation. And you're supposed to be doing this for like 10 minutes, do the whole face. Now we're just going to do the same thing on another side of the face. You actually can feel lifting. I'm actually really enjoying this. This is a great idea. Alright, so now we're just going to do the forehead a little bit. And this is great for lift the skin, hydrate and tighten the skin. Lift ×3 Action Serum have adenosine, naturally found in the body. Adenosine is a proven anti-aging ingredient that has the ability to lift the skin. Amazing, love it. Maca extract, antioxidant, helps protect the skin surface from damage caused by harmful oxidative radicals in the air like UV rays and pollution. Great. Iodeca complex, hydrate, retains moisture through the inner and outer skin barrier. Anti-sebum, reduce the sebum production by tightening the pores. Facial cupping set, tones neck, chin, jawline, décolletage, helps tighten the skin, regulate oil production, improve the oxygen and circulation, brighten the skin, food grade silicone, boost collagen production, minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Very excited for this. Now that we did the face, I'm going to do a little bit of my chin and then we walk in the neck area. Now we going to do the eye one. Add a little bit of serum to this side of the eye. Now we're gonna get the tiny one. And that feels really nice on this. Now we're going to be trying the i360 Lifting Serum Anti-Wrinkle and Remove Dark Circles Roll-On Cooler. What we do is you just pump a little bit of product on your rolling ball and you just go and roll on it. It's really cool, the little metal ball, and actually feels really nice in the skin. And this product I personally like to use mornings and evenings, or just when I really need anti-wrinkle. This Innovate Serum for eye contour with a concentrate for growth factor and for biomimic peptides. These ingredients have anti-wrinkle and anti-inflammatory action, effective to reduce wrinkle immediately visible. Blue complex, 6 natural active ingredients remove dark circle. The formula with a strong vitality of blue complex fills the skin with moisture, while natural active ingredients take care of the any bags under the eye, keep the skin comfortable. Amazing. Go to the other eye. Hyaluronic acid, skin elasticity. And I can't tell you guys enough how much I love this. It feels so good on the skin. So if you guys have any question on any of the 2 products, please drop in the comment below and I will gonna answer the best as I can. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. I'm gonna link the link below for these 2 products, for the cupping setting and for the eye serum. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.